Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can change your payment method on Uber. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open your Uber application. Once you open your Uber application, you simply need to click on your account in the right bottom corner. And once you are in your account, you simply need to click on your profile picture, or you can click on your wallet. So I'm in my wallet, and then you need to click on add payment method. So here you can add your credit card, your Google Pay, or if you want you can add your Easy Pasa. If you want your to add your credit card, simply click on that option. And here you need to put your card number, your expiry date, select your country from where you are, and click on next, and your a payment method will be added, and you can change from here as well. So this is a process by which you can change your payment method on Uber. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.